Welcome to Podcast English. My name is Elena. I am so happy that you are here with me today. This is a quiet place. This is a calm place. In this video, we are not going to rush. We are not going to stress about grammar rules. We are going to let the English language enter your mind naturally. Listen to my voice. Follow the rhythm. You are doing something wonderful for yourself. Part 1. The seed and the tree. Imagine a tiny seed in the ground. It is very small. It does not look like a tree yet. Does the seed worry? Does the seed cry because it is not tall? No. It simply takes a little water every day. It reaches for the sun every day. Your English is that seed. Every minute you spend listening is like a drop of water. Do not be angry at yourself if you cannot speak perfectly today. You are growing. The tree is coming. Be patient with your progress. Part 2. The echo technique, extended practice. Let's try our echoing exercise again, but this time we will be more expressive. Copy not just my words, but my feeling. Let's begin. I love the sound of the rain. Everything is possible with practice. I am becoming a confident speaker. Today is a fresh start. Wonderful. When you copy emotions, you remember words faster. Your brain loves feelings. Part 3. Thinking in colors and objects. Many students ask me, Elena, how can I stop translating? The answer is simple. Stop using your first language for simple thoughts. When you walk into your kitchen, don't just look at the things. Name them. Spoon, plate, coffee. Now add a color. Silver spoon, white plate, hot coffee. When you do this, you're teaching your brain to link English directly to the object. You are cutting the middleman. The middleman is your native language. Send him away. Think in English, even for 1 minute a day. Part 4. The power of vocabulary in context. Do not learn lists of words. Lists are boring. Lists are dead. Instead, learn groups of words. For example, do not just learn the word decision. Learn make a decision. Do not just learn mistake. Learn make a mistake. These are called collocations. When you learn words that live together, your speaking becomes smooth. It flows like a river. It sounds natural to the ear. Part 5. Friendship with failure. Why are we afraid to speak? Because we are afraid of looking silly. We are afraid of making a mistake. But listen to me. Mistakes are the only way to the truth. Every mistake you make is a lesson. If you say, I goat instead of I went, and someone corrects you, that is gold. That is a gift. Do not hide your voice. Be loud, be messy, be brave. The world wants to hear your ideas, not your perfect grammar. Part 6. The secret of active listening. Listening is not just hearing. Active listening is like being a detective. When you listen to this podcast, ask yourself questions. Why did she say that word strongly? Why did she pause there? When you are curious, your brain is open. Try to listen to 1 minute of English 5 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, focus on verbs. The third time, focus on the music. You will be surprised at how much you discover. Part 7. Creating your personal sanctuary. Your learning environment is very important. Find a place where you feel safe. Maybe it is a chair by the window. Maybe it is your car. When you're in this place, tell your brain, now we are in the English world. No stress is allowed here. No fear is allowed here. This is your time to play with the language. English is not a subject at school. English is a tool for your life. It is a tool to make friends, to get a job, and to see the world. Part 8. The magic of daily habits. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Don't wait to feel motivated. Motivation comes and goes, but a habit stays. Make a promise to yourself today. Say, I will listen to Elena for 10 minutes every day. Do it when you are tired. Do it when you are busy. Even 2 minutes is better than 0 minutes. Consistency is the king of success. Part 9. The rhythm of breathing. Before we continue, let's take a moment. Language is not just words. Language is breath. When you speak English, you need to relax your shoulders. You need to breathe deeply. If you are tense, your voice will sound sharp. But if you are relaxed, your voice will flow. Try to match your breathing to my sentences. Inhale peace. Exhale fear. Now you are ready to continue our journey. Part 10. The secret of linking sounds. Have you ever noticed that native speakers don't say every word separately? They don't say, what is up? They say, what's up? This is called linking. Words hold hands. The end of one word touches the start of the next word. It's like a dance. Try to listen for these connections. Don't try to fight the sounds. Let them blend together. This will make your listening much easier. Part 11. English for your emotions. English is not just for business. It is for your heart. How do you feel today? Don't just say, I'm fine. Try to be more specific. Are you excited? Are you peaceful? Are you a little bit tired? When you use English to express your true feelings, the language becomes real. It is no longer a lesson in a book. It is your voice. Part 12. The mirror practice. Go to a mirror. Look at yourself. Smile at yourself. Now, tell the person in the mirror about your dreams. I want to travel the world. I want to help my family. When you see your own lips moving in English, it builds confidence. You see the English speaker inside you. That person is strong. That person is capable. Pod 13. Learning from the world around you. Look at the labels on your food. Look at the signs in the street. English is everywhere, even on your shampoo bottle. Don't ignore these words. Read them. Wonder about them. The world is your classroom. You don't need to pay for a teacher to see the English around you. Open your eyes and become a student of life. Part 14. The power of silence. In a conversation, silence is okay. You don't need to answer in 1 second. Native speakers take time to think too. Use filler words if you need time. Words like, well, or let me see. This gives your brain a moment to find the right word. It is better to speak slowly with meaning than to speak fast with no clarity. Part 15. Small wins matter. Did Kun understand a joke in a movie? Did you read a comment on the internet? That is a victory. Celebrate every small win. Don't wait for perfection to be happy. Be happy now. Every word you know today is one word more than yesterday. You are moving forward. Always forward. Part 16. The rhythm of English songs. Music is a great teacher. Songs have patterns. They have rhymes. When you sing, you don't worry about grammar. You just enjoy the flow. Find a song you love. Listen to it 100 times. Sing it in the shower. Your brain will remember the phrases without any effort. Part 17. Don't compare your chapter 1. Don't compare your English to someone else's. Everyone has a different path. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. It doesn't matter. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. If you know more today than yesterday, you are winning. Part 18. Writing for your soul. Try to keep a very small journal. Write just one sentence every night. Today was a good day. I ate an apple. Writing connects your hand to your brain. It makes the words permanent. It gives you proof that you are an English writer. Part 19. The magic of why. Always be curious. If you see a new word, ask why. Why is it used this way? Curiosity is the engine of learning. Never stop asking questions. Children learn fast because they ask questions. Be like a child. Be hungry for knowledge. Part 20. A message to your future self. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You are standing tall. You are speaking clearly. You are smiling. That person is thanking you right now. They are saying, "Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Every minute you gave today is a gift to your future." Final conclusion. We have reached the end of our long journey today. 20 steps, 20 ideas. But this is just the beginning for you. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for being part of Podcast English. My name is Elena. Go now, be confident, and speak your truth. I will see you very soon in the next episode. Goodbye and take care.